What is going on? It's Jason with Intricate Coatings, back at it. We're going to do a 2-car here. In this one, we're going to make the kickboards of these cabinets blend in with the garage as if it was the stem wall. It's going to match real well and show you how it's done. So I'm going to cut in the sides here, up the baseboards of the cabinets to make sure that it's exactly matching the side concrete walls. And again, I use a 4-inch chipper brush to do that, and then I roll the rest of the field. Check it out. Hey, I'm all finished with the clear coat. Take a look. What do you think?